Welcome back everyone, and today we're doing 10 minutes full body HIIT workout with light weights. This workout would be a great choice for my beginners or for those who coming back after a long break or injury. I will be using 3 pounds dumbbells set today, very light. However, if you would like to increase the intensity of this workout, simply increase your weights. Now team, take a look at your first exercise demo. We begin with the open step. Warm up is first, really important, so join me guys when you're ready. And while we're doing this first easy warm-up exercise, I'm gonna give you a quick heads up what to expect from this workout. As I said, this workout would be ideal for my beginners or for those who coming back after long break or even an injury in jump starting the fitness journey one more time. So today we're working on a 45 seconds guys intervals with a quick 15 seconds breaks in between. However, if you have to pause the video, drink your water and have a longer breaks, please do it. Give me just a few more seconds. This is it. Beautiful guys. Now grab your weights. I'm using, as I said, only 3 pounds set today. And again, if you want to increase the intensity, you can definitely use a little bit heavier ones. Step wider guys, prepare for your squat. Give me single arm raise. In this workout, we're gonna be talking a lot about alignments. So team, when you squat, make sure that you squat away from your toes and shift your body weight more towards the heels and glutes. On the way up guys, thrust through the heels. Alignments and form is very important for a successful workout. Not only you're gonna burn more calories, but it also will help you to avoid the injuries. And give me at least one more squat guys. You got this. I think we can do one more. Beautiful. So walk around your mat. Try not to stay in place. Drink your water if you have to. Now take a look at your next exercise. This is your uneven arm raise. Prepare guys, abs in and tight to begin your work. What I want to see in this exercise is your tall and strong back guys. When you lift those arms, don't lift your shoulders. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Keep the shoulders relaxed pretty much. Keep your wrist, elbow, and shoulder on one level when your arm raised, and brace your core, guys. And of course, if you need to slow down a little bit, you can do so, or follow along with me. And we have about only 5 seconds left for this exercise already. Give me just one more uneven arm raise here. Very good. Now walk around your mat. Again, try not to stay at one place completely. Now take a look at the next one. This is your guys reverse lunge with a bicep curl 3 pull. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, come on back. Try to make sure that you do not drop your dumbbells back on the way up, right? When you step back, you hold it strong. On the way back, release those weights with control, guys. All the way. You've got this, team. I'm gonna take a great care of you. I know it's not easy to jumpstart your fitness journey. We've all been there, especially if you've been injured or had a long break as well. But we must start somewhere, and this workout would be your perfect choice. Last one. Come on back, guys. All right, take a look at the next exercise demo. This is your knee lift with uneven arm raise, guys. So if you lift in your right knee, you're gonna lift your left arm. Begin the work. All the way, guys. You've got this. Again, if you have to slow down, you can do that definitely. Try to follow me. Keep those elbows soft and straight, but do not lock them. And the same principle of resistance applies here, guys. We're working against the gravity. Make sure you do not drop those arms on the way down. Very good. Keep the back nice and tall. Try not to lean back. Try not to lean backwards. Stay tall, guys. Just above the hips. Last one. Excellent work. Now take a look at the next exercise for today. This is your deadlift and your wide grip row. When you do your deadlift, keep the back neutral. Ready, set, here we go. Come on back up, guys. Down, ups in and tight. Do your best to look up front of your feet, not directly underneath. What's gonna happen if you look underneath, your feet in between your heels? Most likely you're gonna round your back. We don't want to do that in this exercise either. All the way, guys. Scoop the stomach in, and you're gonna go down for that bend over position, only as low as you can maintain your neutral spine. This is perfect. I got you guys. One more time. This is it. Very good work, guys. Now take a look at the next exercise demo already. This is your kneeling row. So we're gonna go on the knees and we're gonna add a tricep kickback. Ready? Here we go. What's important here, again, try not to arch your back. Keep that back neutral and extended. When you do your tricep kickback, first raise your elbow at least up to 90-degree angle above the floor. Keep your abs tight, guys. If you have a sensitive knees, next time when you will repeat this workout, you can add a towel or extra knee cushions underneath those knees, and you can find those on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure I have them listed in the recommended Amazon store. Last one. Very good, guys. Take a look at your next exercise. We're gonna go and turn around. This is your chest fly in a bridge. If you can't stay in a bridge for 45 seconds, do it with the hips on the floor. Here we go. What is important here, very, very important, guys. Use your chest, and if you look at my elbows now, you're going to notice that my elbows slightly tilted towards my feet. So those are not directly here, but those going slightly towards my ankles and feet, about 45 degrees angles. That's gonna help you to avoid injury of the shoulder, especially when you're working with the heavier weights in the future, and you will be. All right, last one. Very good. Come on up slowly, straight forward or through the side. Put your dumbbells away. You won't need them anymore. And come on down, guys, on your belly. We continue with the Pilates swimmer. Opposite arm and leg. This can be a challenging exercise for beginners, but I decided to include it today so you get a little bit of the taste of it. That body weight exercise can be challenging too. You can always slow down, stop for a few seconds, and then continue. Keep on working, guys. This is an excellent exercise for back, arms, and leg strengths. Point your toes and keep on moving. And we have only a couple seconds left. That was very challenging. All right, go ahead and turn around one more time. We're gonna go for the single leg drop. You're gonna take your legs up and arms anywhere where it's comfortable for your back and shoulders. Flex your feet and bring your one leg at a time. Now, straight legs can be challenging. If you have to bend your knee and do it this way for a few sessions, you can definitely do that. Try to keep your lower back on the floor, my friends. And we only have about 15 seconds left already. This is it. Don't quit, finish strong. Till the very last second, one more leg drop. Fantastic. Slowly, team, bring your both feet on the floor and bring those hips up. Very good. Hold it for a few seconds and come on back down. Keep your one knee bent and extend your other leg. Let's give our legs a good stretches. Very nice. Other side. I'm so proud of you guys. You know, 10 minutes, it's the way to start. It's not always easy to find the time or to decide to change your current lifestyle, but one little step at a time will help you to jumpstart a big journey of health and wellness. Fold forward. If you have to bend your knees, guys, you can definitely do that. And come on back up. Now slowly make your transition, guys, all the way to your kneeling position. Let's give our back a quick gentle stretch. Very good. Now slowly, guys, tuck your toes and walk with me, or come up any other way available for you for now. Step a little bit wider. We're gonna go for the final lateral lunge all the way here, and come on out for the other side. Try to keep that knee away from the toes the same way we learned in the schools. Come on back. Go ahead and bring your both feet closer. Reach those arms up. Inhalation, exhalation. I'm so proud of you guys, and I truly mean it. Amazing job. I'm so proud of you to find these 10 minutes to bring a little bit health and wellness in your day. Rest well, recover well. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you all in my new video.